what's up and welcome back to another vlog. I am gonna go get my workout in because I have been cleared from the doctor to start my workout, and I already started working out 2 weeks before. I am doing the 21-day clothing workout and already done with 2 weeks, 1 more week left, and then I'm gonna this is basically to get me started up, and then after that I'm gonna start my weight training. Wayne is right there, he's off work, he's watching the baby, so I can go work out real quick. And yeah, let me wear my shoes. I don't really have workout shoes anymore because all my shoes after pregnancy, they don't fit me anymore. They're like small for me because my feet size increased, so I had to give away all my shoes, which I'm very sad about, but I need to get more new shoes because they're all so good. But yeah, I guess it is what it is. And here's the baby. Say hi.
Hi.
She hi.
Hi.
What are you grabbing over here? He came to the snack corner to grab something.
Oh, you asked me?
Yes.
You asked the baby what are you grabbing?
Yep. Marvel is over there. And I got this set from Shein. It's so comfortable, so soft. Totally love it.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Done with my workout. I'm gonna go take a quick shower, and then we're gonna go for a walk with Marvel. Oh my god, let me tell you, the postpartum journey is so difficult, especially with the workout, because your entire core strength is gone. And the first day I started working out, literally the first day, I was so sad, so depressed because I couldn't even do a single crunch. And I was like, oh my god, I used to be so good at it and now I can't even do a single crunch. I feel so bad. But then I had to keep reminding myself that I just pushed the baby out, it's all gonna be fine, I am gonna get my strength back again. So yeah, it's been 20 days. I definitely feel so good, and I'm back to getting my crunches, my planks, my push-ups. I feel strong and I feel good now. So if you're out there starting your postpartum journey, just stay strong. Just keep in mind the long picture, that it's all gonna be fine. You're gonna get your strength back. It's just the moment when you start doing it. You just need the positive vibes and all the good vibes to get your journey started. Alright, I'm feeding this guy here, and for tonight's dinner we are doing sushi. So Mayang has gone out to get some sushi. He's so hungry, so delicious. We were actually confused between sushi and biryani. And why biryani? Because we went out for a walk with Marvel, and then I could smell biryani outside from somebody's house. And I was like, oh my gosh, should we eat biryani or sushi? But then we ended up deciding on sushi, so yeah. And right now we are watching Raising Dion on Netflix. Such a good series. It came out a few months back, like the first season, and now the second season is here. I think last year, yeah. So it's really good. We're watching that, and look at this dude. Hello. Hello. He drank half of the milk and then he pooped, so he really is very sensitive to dirty diapers. So as soon as he pooped, I go and change it, and then I'm gonna feed him the rest of the milk over here. So yeah, that's how the day is going. I mean, it's almost ended. Alright, our sushi is here. This is the first sushi. This is Julian's mom, and this is Forever Young. So delicious. फेस की क्या?
I didn't understand what happened. All I knew was one minute I was dead, and the next I wasn't.
I am upstairs here. I got some popcorn with me because Sushi kind of didn't fill me up, but it was so delicious. And my is logging in for like an hour or so because he had some work to get done. Marvel, look at him. He's taking a slipper away. Marvel, leave it. Marvel, leave it. But yeah, trying to put him down. He is also gonna feed one more time before sleeping. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and hold on. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and yes, if you are out there starting your postpartum journey, just stay strong, stay positive. You're gonna get there. I had my own struggles. I had to keep reminding myself that it's okay, you're gonna take time, it's fine, you just push the baby out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.